Ever been caught off guard by a hiccup? Let's uncover why they happen and how to stop them. Hiccups occur where your diaphragm, a muscle aiding in breathing, spasms involuntarily. This spasm causes a sudden intake of air, which hits your vocal cords, producing the hic sound. Triggers include eating too quickly, consuming carbonated drinks, sudden temperature changes, or emotional stress. To stop hiccups, try holding your breath, sipping cold water, or gently pulling on your tongue. These methods stimulate the vagus nerve, helping to reset your diaphragm. While hiccups are usually harmless, persistent ones may require medical attention. Like and subscribe for more quick knowledge with Curious Cat Explains.